left, down, right, up.
Lindsay solved it on accident.
Good, ladies and gentlemen.
Accidentally opened the door.
I was like, for real, figuring it out though, and then I accidentally fucked up.
Then you're like, no, I fucked up, and then it opened.
I fucked up.
So, that makes me think that you weren't actually figuring it out. Oh man, it's just throwing you, like, every mechanic you've had in the game, it's throwing at you.
Fucking Mega Man in me.
It's gonna make you grind right after this shit.
No!
And then fucking hoverboard.
Dude, the last fucking part. Oh yeah? Let's race! Fucking...
Is that a pterodactyl in this game? I can't even tell. Oh,
the pool gun? You definitely gotta go into my fucking... Is it a gadget?
Yeah, it's a gadget. It's the water drop. Hydro displacer.
Oh, the pool water gun? Okay. Is that a fucking Sonic bouncy down there?
That's what you gotta use your rocket butt boost.
Bitch.
It's been so long since you've had to use that.
But not. She should have told me the last time.
Well, it's possible that you could not have that by this point in the game. No, it's not, because you couldn't have gotten you couldn't gotten past the robot level without
Can I just say you just pissed yourself off? No, idiot!
So why is the game giving you a tutorial of where you can get that fucking boost at this point in the game?
Game designers! I fucking hit R1.
You just need your fucking... well, you got a tank in the back, so you need to visible the tank and then just Tesla everybody else. Yeah.
Okay.
Because shooting them that way is gonna get you fucking murdered.
Piss them off!
Yeah. So visible the tank and then you need to put your Tesla on quick select.
Yeah.
Like for reals.
He didn't even suspect a thing.
Remember when I said you need to put your
I know,
Tesla?
but I was trying to decide if I could get the guys with the thing.
You could, but then the other one will start shooting at you.
I don't think I need this fucking... I'll need it fucking right.
I don't even remember what it was.
It's everything's gone. The disguise.
I don't think you'll need the disguise again probably for the rest of the game. Always gotta keep Bomb Glove number one slot.
I keep wanting to do the fucking
If we're being for real, besides the for flying enemies, Love of Doom, best weapon in the game.
Oh, I love
Love of Doom.
It's my number 2.
But it's in like your number 6 slot.
Don't shoot me.
You about out. Well, you did, but you about out of ammo for that too.
I'm about out of life.
There's a store over there. You should go to that store. And there's some free ammo boxes too.
Chop. Oh, well, dude, we just talked about you. Just fucking talking about
You need to get some fucking...
I got some great bargains for you there.
Yeah, well, I'd say...
Oh, I need some of the fucking...
Yeah, you need the Tesla more than you need the Devastator. Except for tanks. This is pretty much your best weapon right now.
Visible.
Yeah.
And I broke.
Yeah, if you get some money, you should buy that decoy glove. Oh, another thing about challenge mode. You get, able to, buy... This is why you get gold bucks in the game. You get to buy gold versions of all your weapons that are better and stronger and have new powers. So that's really cool.
And I will never see them.
Maybe someday. Over the rainbow.
Okay, Current. Then... I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but...
You can do it that way if that's how you prefer.
I mean, this is an instance where I was not raised one way or the other. Dude! I went away, okay? Why can't you jointly get... Nah,
I got a couple guys left. That's the cool motherfucker. Oh, don't jump in the lava.
Nikolai Tesla in the motherfucking building.
That is some hot ass lava on the ground.
So hot. Did not even see that.
Yeah.
Fucking area.
Watch your jumps here.
Are you proud of all this double jumping out of there? No! Climb into the fucking mountain! What? Can I land on there?
You couldn't have made that shit any more pathetic. Could not.
Just want to say, double jumping is fundamentally dead for me. And I fucked it up. I fucked it up.
You double jump. You didn't. You double jump at a single jump pace. Distance. That's the right.
You can't double jump a double jumper. Okay?
Are we playing checkers?
Yes.
Checkmate.
For checkers. That's not right.
You don't know.
What am I eating?
Yo, use your bomb glove on the guys in the sky. You can throw your bombs up there, right? Yeah?
You can if you're in the fucking bomb club.
Well, you must not be in the bomb club.
I am, but we can't do it in front of you non-bombers when we refer to you regular people.
What the fuck? Are you like Bomberman?
I can neither confirm nor deny an affiliation with Mr. Man. Yeah, Bomber's his first name.
I thought his whole last name was Bomberman. His first name was Clyde.
Clyde is a Pac-Man ghost.
Because there can't be more than one motherfucker in the world named Clyde.
No!
Nobody,
not even that guy in South Park named Clyde?
Nobody in the world can have the same name as somebody else in the world. That's not a thing that
How many
happens.
motherfuckers have you met named Pinky?
Pinky and the Brain.
Ooh. Good save.
Yeah. There's probably more.
How many motherfuckers you met named Inky?
You're gonna want to Visibomb that guy back there.
Yeah, I see him.
He's scared. Oop, but that was not a good. Oh yeah, it was. I thought he went over there for some reason.
At first I was like, where the fuck did he go? But that. Which one is nearest?
You know,
to me?
yeah. As soon as you devastate one, they're all gonna start shooting. Unless you big oil day one that shit.
I didn't get all of them, but I got most of them.
Yeah, that's big oil day one, but the cops showed up anyway.
Ah! I still tried my best.
You hesitated on that last guy.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh yeah, there's a bunch of them. Quite a few.
Ooh.
You can't go in there, obviously.
Oh, I was about to be like, is that a glove of doom in there? Because I ain't even used it. I was like, I'm like, oh, what the fuck?
You almost saw.
Why can't I explode for that? You know who's also Mr. Man? Mega Man. What? Quit! He's
What?
like the fucking
Or
last
like
one of his race.
Every fucking boss in the Mega Man game, except the one female.
They're not old, man.
Yeah, they are. In the classic Mega Man games. Not talking about Mega Man X. Where none of those are men because they're all that.
Well, there's Spark Mandrill.
That's stupid. That doesn't make him a man.
It's in his fucking name. I'll let you know, I bought the original Mega Man for Game Boy. I'll play that on my SP. That shit's backwards compatible.
The original Mega Man, the remake for it for Game Boy. The Game Boy.
It's yeah, it's that. But I just wanted to try it.
Yeah,
Try it out.
They're not quite the NES games. They okay.
I just want to use my SP. That's the thing. And I want Gunstar Heroes.
If you want to use your SP, you gotta say special. And spaceship. And Space Jam.
You know what? You
Just
know?
use your fucking Tesla gun, man. So much quicker. Than Visibomb
Then
into
the
the
roof?
ceiling.
Okay. Oh, I thought I had like way less health. Okay.
Yeah, as long as you just dodge the shots.
Not like what I just did there.
Yeah, just standing there is asking to get shot.
But in the Mega Man for Game Boy, there's actually a shop that you can go to.
That's dumb.
Like, so you can buy E-tanks and
That's
stuff.
dumb. That's not American.
That's a thing that they introduced later.
Remember
in
your
the
high
series.
jump, R1, and then jump.
Whoa, I have not had to use that in a hot minute. What? Motherfucker, get out of here.
Oh, he went that way.
Oh, I thought he was fucking right there. I was like, oh god, I'm dead.
Yeah, he's way back there. I would Visibomb for you before you head too far up.
This thing has a lot of fucking reach.
Yeah. That's why I'm telling you, you use it and you don't. It makes me sad.
I don't think it makes you sad.
It makes me a little sad.
I think it makes me...
When you die.
Nah.
And I gotta watch you do the same thing.
Maybe we don't design our fucking ship with a fucking target.
That's not a door. That's a gray wall.
That is some fucking black hole vacuum.
I thought you were gonna mess that one for a second. I've lost my faith in you to a degree.
Like, I can't even imagine what your perception of my gaming ability was before. Like, you knew it wasn't that good. But you knew it wasn't this bad.
Another fucking key puzzle. Another one.
Well, what's the time?
10 minutes.
God, you're gonna have to include some of it.
Gotta go to your fucking gadgets because you think, I'm never gonna use it.
I refuse to have this piece of Now, is this one also a fucking trick puzzle?
Oh, well, we got one.
No, this one seems doable.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are the same amount of lasers as there are places in which to put.
Like, fuck you, man!
I couldn't interpret how the fuck else you would mean trick puzzle.
Come on, I know this is wrong, but I want it to be... I know this isn't a corner piece, but I'm putting it in the corner.
I think actually that might be right. For the outside.
So the inside's wrong.
Yeah. But I could be wrong too.
Well, somebody's got to be right in this. No, because that's got to be that.
But why couldn't it be one more to the right?
Because it's blocking that.
Go to the middle. Go to the middle. Go one more to the right. Then do some shit there. Yeah. I don't know. I'm just throwing out ideas. Somebody got to throw out ideas. Somebody's got to be the idea man.
Okay, I think I've been doing that.
Yeah.
That?
Alright, we've had 2.5 minutes of this shit. Yeah, we'll be back.